Diana. Diana. Oh yeah, look who's feeling herself today. My goodness. I went roller skating this morning and I decided to wear my waist trainer that I got from Relentless Drip, aka your company, Lisa, and I just thought I'd make a video to tell you, like, it makes me feel so amazing. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to take it off, but I gotta go to work soon, so I think I have to take it off because it's all sweaty and everything. But my goodness, it makes me feel so good. I don't even want to take it off. I love this extra strap support that you have, you know, around it. And I just want to report that I went down one size.
Joanna.